Okay, so we have our absolute value of x minus 3 equals 4, knowing that x minus 3 could equal positive 4 or negative 4 because it's inside those absolute value brackets. Okay, so what do I need to do with x minus 3? I need to set it up as two separate equations. The first one being what? I'm sorry? X minus 3 is going to equal what? Positive 4. Or x minus 3 is going to equal negative 4. So now I need to solve for the value of x. On this first one, what do? How do I solve for x? Add 3 to both sides. So what does x equal? 7. So we know that one option for x could be 7. The other option for x, how do I get this one by itself? Add 3 again. So I'm doing this same step. And in this case, x equals negative 1. How many solutions do I have for x? 2. What were your directions? Which of the following equations have more than one solution? So we know that number 1 does. So we know one option, we've already eliminated h. So now we're going to look at f, g, and I. So let's look at our second equation. I'll grab a different piece of paper. Equation 2. 2x plus 1/2 equals 2x plus 1. What is the first step? Distribute. So what do you get? Okay, now what? Subtract 1 from both sides. 2x equals 2x. And what?
That's just it. It's x equals x.
X equals x. Okay? So would you have, how many solutions would you have for this one?
1.
Really?
Yeah.
Could x equal a bunch of different things?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, if x equals x, I could put in 7 and get 7. I could put in 12 and still have 12. Okay? Because the equation is the same on both sides, I would have an infinite number of solutions here. Okay, let's look at number 3. What are your options for 3? X plus 2 inside absolute value equals negative 1. What do I need to do here? What do you immediately notice about this? Can an absolute value equal a negative number? No. Okay, let's look at 4. 3x plus 5 equals 14. How do I solve this one?
Isolate x.
How do I do that?
So you add 5.
Okay, to isolate x, I subtract 5. 3x equals 9. What does x equal? 3. Does that have more than one solution? No. So the correct answer here is F, 1 and 2.